This weekend is my first time spending the night at my boyfriend's house, so I set an alarm to use the bathroom before he wakes up. Unfortunately though, the bathroom won't flush.
Yo, babe.
No. This can't be happening to me. No, please, baby Jesus, no.
Yo, baby.
I'm coming.
Yo. Yo, baby. Yo.
Thank God. It was only a dream.
Big up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show.